FitnessGram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues.
Welcome to the video. Today I am running the Pacer test. It looks like a really brutal challenge, especially as it goes on. How it works is I got to get to those cones before we hear the next beep, and then I'll take off again when I hear that beep, and it goes on until I miss a beep. From what I've read, it looks like if you miss one, you get one more chance to get it, and then after that you're done. So you can have one miss, and then by the time you hit your second miss, then you are done with the test. The world record stands at 247. I'll be doing the 15-meter test, which is the test that's done for the world record. We're just gonna go until I can't go anymore, so let's see how far we can go.
The test will begin on the word start. On your mark, get ready, start. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six.
I can lie, I started pretty brutal and only 6 seconds.
Seven. Eight. Nine. End of level 1.
How I did the test is I did it on grass today, wearing some warm clothes, 28 degrees, it's pretty cold.
15.
I really 15 in. My ground's still pretty tired.
16. 18. 19. End of level 2.
In terms of the shoes for this test, I went with the Montcoast S1s. The reason why I picked these shoes is I knew I'd be able to cut pretty well on these, and it actually worked out really well. Maybe in the future doing this in grass, maybe I'd throw on spikes to be able to cut a little bit better even, but these shoes worked out pretty good. I'm dressed pretty warm. It's 28 degrees right now, so it is very cold.
25. 26. 27. 28. 29.
Oh, 6 sucks.
30. End of level 3. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36.
Get faster.
38. 39. End of level 4. 43. 44. 45. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53, 54, end of level 5,
55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
61,
This is so brutal.
62, 63, 64, 80, end of level 7,
And level 7.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88,
Oh, God, I'm going over 100.
89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, end of level 8, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
That test is so brutal. It gets so fast. Oh, wow. That is so brutal. That is way harder than the 1 mile I just did last week. My lungs are on fire. My legs are dead. All the cutting just takes a toll. I gotta figure out some better strategy with it. Oh, holy cow, that was brutal. I don't know how that middle schooler went 247. That is insane to me. That kid's a beast. Whew. That is by far one of the most brutal tests I've ever done. Even the beginning is pretty fast to start, and it just gets faster and faster. Final thoughts on the test. It feels more like a speed test as you go on than it does even an endurance test, because as you saw at the end, it gets really fast where you're on a dead-on sprint. Brutal test. Definitely give it a try. If you are someone who's done this in the past or maybe did it recently, drop what your score was if you remember it in the comments. Let's compare them. Let's see if you beat me. Feel free to give it a try. It's a very easy test to set up. You can find that audio right on YouTube, and all you need is a speaker, a couple cones, measure it out, and you are all good to go. If you have any tests that you want to see me do, let me know in the comments. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and stay tuned for more running content.